up, guys? It's me, Gabe, and welcome to another episode. I'm here in Century. Okay, let's walk around. I'm on the 3rd floor right now. So I hope you're enjoying my episodes, and thank you for over 200 subscribers. And let's take a walk. I used to live around here at Rachitewi, Soy 3. So let's take a look around. And I used to live near Suan Santipab, Peace Park. Let's take a look around and see how things have changed. I haven't been here in a while, so let's take a walk around and see what kind of shops they have. Thank you for over 200 subscribers, and I hope you enjoyed this video episode. So let's go upstairs now to see what they have over here to the 4th floor. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. When you help other people, you help yourself. When you help others, you help yourselves. So thank you, and hope you enjoy this video today. Okay, of the Century Movie Plaza near Victory Monument. Okay, so now we're on I think it's the 4th floor. Okay, here you have a Smile Loft Dental Clinic. The Icon Clinic over here. I believe this is where something happened here. Okay, you can't go up there. That's closed down. And then they have a school over there. Okay, we can't go up there, guys. So I think we're on the 4th floor now. There used to be a 5th floor. I think that's a theater. So we're gonna have to go down now, okay? Okay, so let's go down. And let's see what they have here. Okay, so one of my favorite restaurants is here. It's called Edamar Steak. I really want you to try that. It's kind of like Santa Fe Steak or Pepper Lunch. So if you ever come here, I highly recommend Edamar. Let's go take a look at the menu and the restaurant, okay, guys? Here you have a Mr. DIY. Do it yourself. Here's another beauty clinic. Here's SCB. So let's take a look around. There's Edamar over there. So let's focus in on that. And let's walk around to the next floor. Here's Studio Mo Hair. Here's Love Cut, natural hair and make. Okay, here's Edamar. It's always fully packed. You can get a nice steak for 100 to 200 baht, as you can see. And here's the menu. I'm gonna focus in on it. This is one of my favorite restaurants. You could live forever. It's so cheap. So here's the menu. They have many branches. You have pork loin for 99 baht, honey glaze, pork chop, bacon cheese, bacon spicy, and here you have some more pepper lunch, Caesar salad, and here you have fish and chips, grilled fish, honey glaze, pork, and then you have the grilled salmon, fish and chips, strip loin, and ribeye, all for less than $3, $4, $3, $4, $5. So the people that work in there, I think they're not Thais. I think they're from Burma or Myanmar. I don't know, Laos, Cambodia. Okay, we're finished with the 3rd floor. Let's go to the 2nd floor now. The movie theater is closed here, guys. I don't know why, but it's completely closed. And here you have some shopping down there. Okay, and as you can see, it's a very small shopping mall outlet. And now they're building a lot of condos around here. So this is a very developed place, as you can see. Okay, here's a Price Way over here, Top Charon over here. There's a Dairy Queen over there. Aurora over here, Shabushi over here by Oishi. So let's just walk around. Narai Pizza. Okay, this place tastes like crap. Don't ever come here, guys. The pizza is so fake. It's not real pizza. It's like, it's not even worth your time. But anyways, okay, there's a nail place right over there. You can get a massage there with the massage chairs. Okay, this is a cafe over here. Cafe, hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. Yeah, I have YouTube channel. You can follow me, okay? Okay, I'll give you my name. My name Alexander. Okay, I'm gonna give them my YouTube channel. Okay, hold on. ALEXANDR. Okay, here's my YouTube channel, and you can follow me, okay? I do video about traveling by Tia Pukao Namtok Tele. Thank you, okay. Bye bye. Okay. Okay, yeah, high school students. Yeah, they're gonna follow me on YouTube. Okay. Here's Cafe Amazon over here. And there's still more. Kafuko. And as you can see, okay, Auntie Ann is over here. One of my favorite places, but I don't like going there because it's filled with sugar. Hare, hare. Swenson's over here. You can get your ice cream. Okay, here goes a gold shop. I think I'm on the second floor. Let's go on the first floor now. Here's a Boots. Watson over here. Okay. Now let's walk around over here. They have a Yves Rocher, France, Oriental Princess. Let's go down to the first floor now. And let's see what they have over here, as you can see. Okay, so see, it's all shopping, as you can see over here. It's all shopping, guys, as you can see. Mr. Donut, they have Chester's Grill. Alright, let's see what they have over here. Mr. Donut. Okay. Crown Bubble. If you want to get your drinks on, here's a Chester's Grill. It's kind of like KFC, guys. I like eating here sometimes. Okay, now here's a Moss Burger. Oh, that's open. That's a brand new branch, by the way, guys. And this is a bookstore. I don't know the name of it. Moss Burger is brand new. I like to eat Moss Burger. It's a very nice restaurant. You can get your Japanese burgers here for like $3. Okay, here's a Pepper Lunch over here. This is a good place to meet people and also to get in there. At Rangnam, I think that's called Rangnam because Soy Rangnam is right here, and this takes you all the way back to all the condos. Let's take a walk over here and see what they have, okay, guys? Shinkansen over here, so you can get your Japanese food over here, sushi. Okay, I believe this is also a new restaurant. Okay, and as you can see over here, there's a barbecue plaza over here, and this is one of my favorite noodle places. I think you can get like noodles for like 19 or 20 baht. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at the menu here. Yeah, you can. Take a look at this, guys. These prices are unbelievable. 16 baht for wonton. It's like less than a quarter. It's so cheap, it will blow your mind. But yeah, guys, the soup here is very, very cheap, I think. I think it's like 20 baht for some noodles. So if you want to go in there, you can go in there and get some noodles. Okay, now we're making a U-turn and we're going over here now, as you can see. And I think they're selling clothes over here. Okay, guys, and I used to live here, yeah, for about a year. And it's a really nice area, as you can see. Now, this is all shopping clothes they have here. And they have a ground floor with the food court, so maybe I can go there and then we can finish the video. Okay, this is a MK restaurant, one of my favorite restaurants over here, as you can see. Here's a Yayoi, also one of my favorite restaurants. And this is like, they're selling clothes over here, as you can see. Now let's go down and finish the video. Okay, here's the food court, guys. Wow, I think they renovated. I haven't really been down here. It looks renovated. It looks brand new. You see the lights? But anyway, I have to finish the video, so I'll just finish the video down here. Wow, it's totally renovated ground floor. Okay, guys, thank you for following me. Okay, let me put my hand on the red button. On social media, thank you for over 200 subscribers. I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video episode. I'm here at Century, the movie Plaza, near Victory Monument. So when you help others, you help yourself. When you help other people, You help others. It's good for you. It's good for your soul. So if you see somebody in need, give them $1. Give them some food, okay, guys? Because this is, this is the COVID time. Millions of people are out of work. They're out of a job, and you need to start helping people because it's good for you and it's good for your soul. It's good for your heart. Okay, guys, I'm in the food court right now. I'm going to be stopping the video. Take care of yourself. Love you guys. Stay COVID-free, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop the video right now. I'm out of breath. Take care. Love you guys. Okay, bye-bye.